was over.
I wasn't born last night. I know these hoes ain't right, but you was blowing up her phone last night, but she ain't have a ring or not her ring on last night. Ooh, nigga, that's that nerve. Why give a bitch your heart when she rather have a purse? Why give a bitch an inch when she rather have 9? You know how the game goes, she be mine by halftime, I'm the shit. Ooh, nigga, that's that nerve. You all about her and she all about hers. Birdman Jr. in this bitch, no flamingos, and I done did every day but trust these hoes. See me fuck with
When a rich nigga want you, and your nigga can't do nothing for you.
Yeah, right. Go 6 ass time. Yeah, what's up? What you saying? Let me get a bottle at the moment, you know what I'm saying? You gotta get the one. Walk that drink, get it. 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 I'ma make these suckers recognize I ain't playing, ho. If you violate off the top trick, you gotta go. I done held in a lot of shit, and I'm about to flip. Now I think it's time to show you bitches who you fucking with. DJ, that's the name, and I came to bring the pain. Anna on my chest, got me busting at you lemon lanes. Yeah, ain't know, you fucking with a street nigga. From the gutter pimp type / drug dealer. Born and raised in that Memphis, Tennessee. Before it's said and done, you bitches gon' remember me. This only the beginning, I got a lot to say. It's been a long time, and you got hell to pay. Ain't no love, ho, just bring it to the door. I bar none, let my nuts hang to the floor. So if you want some, this is your death wish. Better come correct, because I came to break you off trick. Walk that drink, get it. 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 Walk that. You think I won't beat that trick? Whoop that trick. Got me acting buck and shit. Hoes telling me to calm down, but I'm like, fuck that shit. I'm already on that hypnotic and that Grey Goose. A couple of shots of him that just gave me another boost. I'm feeling electrified. You can see it in my eyes. Shirt soaking wet, looking like I just got baptized. Sloppy drunk like a wino at a liquor store. A crunk like some sanctified folks catching the Holy Ghost. I don't think you understand. This one right here might get banned. Setting off a riot like we living in Afghanistan. But this a dirty, and that's the way it goes. Security be the main ones acting like some hoes. But you done fucked up, you better call the law. I'ma break this Moet bottle across your fucking jaw. And that's for anyone that ever disrespected D. Watch your back, boy, cause you bout to get your ass beat. Walk that drink, get it. 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 Walk that drink. I came to bust a nigga head, leave him bloody red, fighting for his life as they rush him to the med. This what happens when you get caught up in the mix. All that jaw jacking got your ass in a bunch of shit. This that Memphis drama, boy, you know we came to get bucked. I thought you came deep, nigga, where your back up. Your clique, they some cowards, they scattered out like roaches. That bottle across your head got you leaking, losing focus. See, this is what we mean when we shut down the club. Niggas started gangsta walking, then we tear the bitch up. We some straight hood niggas from the ghetto and the project. Duck the police, cause we know we the suspects. make you wonder what's next, bitch. Guard your grill. If they play this in the club, you get your ass beat for real. My advice would be to chill. M-Town, nigga sick. Get caught without a warning and get your ass whooped quick, bitch. Whoop that trick, get it. 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 Whoop that trick.
Yeah. Young Moolah, baby. We in jail. Please, Mr. Walker, won't you give me my freedom? Please, Mr. Walker, won't you give me my freedom? Please, Mr. Walker, won't you give me my freedom? Please, Mr. Walker, won't you give me my freedom? F-R-E-E, me. F-R-E-E, me. F-R-E-E, me. F-R-E-E, me. Your boy Lil Boosie want out of this bitch. This nigga tried to wipe me down using his dick. I told him I set it off up in this bitch. You don't want it with Lil Boosie finna trip. Niggas in here always finna play. And plus some niggas can't even do what these to say. How the fuck Boosie supposed to stay up in this bitch? I want out of here. Please get my freedom in this bitch. Please, Mr. Walker, won't you give me my freedom? Please, Mr. Walker, won't you give me my freedom? Please, Mr. Walker, won't you give me my freedom? Please, Mr. Walker, won't you give me my freedom? F-R-E-E, me. F-R-E-E, me. F-R-E-E, me. F-R-E-E, me. Gucci in jail, but Gucci won't bail. Let Gucci out, Gucci swear it won't tell. Gucci give you money, Gucci got it all. Gucci want some Gucci, let me hang it on the wall. Gucci in here, niggas acting up fool. Tryna get Gucci to kiss another groove. But Gucci don't swing that way, that's the truth. I'm tryna get home, Waka Flocka, this for you. Please, Mr. Walker, won't you give me my freedom? Please, Mr. Walker, won't you give me my freedom? Please, Mr. Walker, won't you give me my freedom? Please, Mr. Walker, won't you give me my freedom? F-R-E-E, me. F-R-E-E, me. F-R-E-E, me. F-R-E-E, me. Listen, playboy, that jail no joke. While you behind them walls, don't you drop that soap. And plus, playboy, will you leave my remote? I'm at home all alone and I can't wipe my soap. Niggas wanna do a song, I told her hell no. Told her ain't no young money, tell you get home. Breaking Lord Twist keep calling my phone. Said they wanna go too, I told them stay their ass home. Please, Mr. Walker, won't you give me my freedom? Please, Mr. Walker, won't you give me my freedom? Please, Mr. Walker, won't you give me my freedom? Please, Mr. Walker, won't you give me my freedom? F-R-E-E, me. F-R-E-E, me. F-R-E-E, me. F-R-E-E, me.
Seen that. That's what it is.
Convict.
Money, baby. Shady.
Convict music.
Guess who's back? Still here, haters.
Akon and Obi. Trice. Yeah.
What you gonna do with it, A? What you gonna do?
Take 'em on back to the street. That's why I keep the thing on my side. Stepping with the mindset of a mobster. You see it pass by. Tuck your chain in, cause he might rob ya. Got lots for sale, drop tops for sale. Anything that you need, believe me, I'm gon' lace you. Just do whatever you do, snitch, cause you will get hit. Pray I don't face you. Yeah.
risky. The chick tend to rise out his temper. His history snitch, who decided he's a member? Once he got pinched, coincided with law. Same homie say he lay it down for the ball. Brought gang squad around ours. How could it be? Been homie since Superman draws. Only phoniness never came to par. He had us, a true neighborhood actor. Had his back for days. Now we see through him like x-rays. Cuffed in that Adam car. No matter his loss, we at him, it's war. Knowing not to cross those reservoir dogs. You help plant seeds just to be a vegetable? When we invest in team, it's to the death for show. No X and O's. Guess it's how it goes when friends turn to foes.
That's why I keep the thing on my side. Stepping with the mind state of a mobster. You see it pass by. Tuck your chain in, cause he might rob ya. Got lots for sale, drop tops for sale. Anything that you need, believe me, I'm gon' lace you. Just do whatever you do, snitch, cause you will get hit. Pray I don't face you.
We started out as a crew, when one speak, it's all honest. Private conferences when we eat, Benny Hannas. Reconnaissance when we peep, enemies on us. Been in these corners, selling like anything on us. Knowing heaven is shown us, being devil's minors. That ain't got to do with the tea in China. We gon' keep the grind up, to death can find us. Meantime, leaning in them European whips reclined up. It's eye for an eye for the riders. We ain't trying to get locked up, we soul survivors. Popos is cowards, it's no you, it's ours. We vowed this, mixing with soda powder. Who would've known he would fold and cower? Once the captain showed, he sold old McDonald's. So it's no X and O's. Guess it's how it goes when friends turn to foes.
That's why I keep the thing on my side. Stepping with the mind state of a mobster. You see it pass by. Tuck your chain in, cause he might rob ya. Got lots for sale, drop tops for sale. Anything that you need, believe me, I'm gon' lace you. Just do whatever you do, snitch, cause you will get hit. Pray I don't face you.
Nowadays, Sammy the Bulls got the game full, so he moved to a rural area to keep cool. They snitching on the snitch now, it's nothing to tell. Nowadays your circle should be small as hell. Ain't trying to meet new faces, this don't interest me. Even if we bubble slow, we get it eventually. No penitentiary, there'll be no clemency. You will meet the Lord snitching, giving us a century. These cats is rats now, the streets need decon. That's how they react now, weak when the heat's on them. Stop snitching, you ask for the life you live in. This act is not permitted nowhere on the map. It is forbidden to send a nigga to prison if you've been in it along with them. And then snitching become hidden, so it's no X and O's. Guess it's how it goes when friends turn to foes.